Talo falava fa felo ai atu I lau mai mua mai I le isi fa poponga le neo tato por kalame Kuka, Tastes of Beautiful Samoa. Talo falava and welcome to the latest episode of Kuka, Taste of Beautiful Samoa. In this episode, we'll be highlighting the need for a crucial change in our food choices and ensuring a balanced diet in addressing the issue of non-communicable diseases or NCDs here in Samoa. While food and cuisine remain a vital part of our tourism industry, it's also essential and important to highlight the life-changing and healthy benefits of incorporating local, organic, and easily accessible local produce into our diets. In a 2017 World Health Organization report, it highlighted that one of the leading causes of deaths here in Samoa can be attributed to NCDs or lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, gout, heart diseases, and many others. It also highlighted that 85% of our adult population have obesity or are overweight. An alarming figure that prompts action, but action that we can take to address in our homes and in our kitchen in preparing healthy but simple meals. This is not a new issue for Samoa and continues to be one of the top priorities and is continually promoted by the Samoa health sector. Today we have here with us Ms. Christina Soti-Albert from the Ministry of Health, a principal nutritionist, to share insight into this issue. Talofa, Christina?
Talofa, Cherie. Thank you for the opportunity today, and I'm looking forward to tasting all the recipes. And like you said, NCDs is such a problem in Samoa, and it is, we call it whama'iongongo totonga. So there are many diseases, but what we see from the past and into the future is that there are a lot of imported foods, processed foods that are coming into the country, as well as just the foods that we prepare all the time. So it'll be a great opportunity today to just look at another way that we can prepare meals to make them more healthier, to contain more fruits and vegetables, and for people to be encouraged and more excited to eat fruits and vegetables. As today, we're looking forward to having this session today to look at local ingredients and just having more of the fruits and vegetables especially in the hotels and supermarkets, just having these foods more readily available, and that will change the environment that we're living in, because another reason why we have all these NCDs is because of the environment that that we are living in. We can easily get all these processed foods, but if we encourage people that are making the foods or the people that are manufacturing the foods to make it more healthier, then the food that will be available all the time will be healthier, a healthier option. So it's a great opportunity today to meet with you, and looking forward to the recipes.
Okay, thank you for sharing with us. I'm actually really excited today. We're visiting the Paddles restaurant. The guest chef is a huge advocate, a strong advocate of local produce and the Farm to Table initiative. They're well known for incorporating a Samoan Italian cuisine in their family-owned and eco-friendly restaurant. So let's go check it out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, o leo tato whaatasia I nei, mo tato por kalame le so, ma le sunga ia Giovanni Rossi, o le sua le ainga e ona le whale ainga leo le Paddles I Matautu. Talofa, Gio?
Talofa lava.
Thank you so much for having us on the show. I'm very excited to get to know you, your restaurant, and your family, and the inspiration that's behind a lot of your dishes. So tell us, Gio, who is Gio?
Well, I'm just a simple boy, man, half Italian, half Samoan. I was blessed with this opportunity to live in this amazing country, and we opened a business a few years ago, 14 to be exactly, and we had this dream just to cook, serve, and make our life full of entertainment, joy and happiness. So that's what we do every single day.
So there's the passion for food is in your family. Tell us about your family and where they're from here.
Well, dad is Italian and mom is from Savai, Assau. They met in New Zealand many years ago. Love at first sight. Dad was working in the mines. My mom was working in a hotel, and they had passion about food. So they opened, not many people knows about it, but actually they opened a restaurant in Tai Happy. So
That's where my dad's from.
oh yeah. So when they had this restaurant, then the family became bigger with kids.
How many kids?
3.
3 kids?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the youngest, I'm the sexiest, and I'm the brightest.
Brightest.
Then I have my sisters.
I'm sure they'll probably have something to add to that.
Absolutely.
So the 3 of you, there's this passion of food. Your family started with the restaurant in New Zealand. When did you move to Samoa?
Well, actually, the first step, we left New Zealand and we moved to Italy. That is where I think my sisters and I got this huge inspiration about cooking and the Mediterranean lifestyle. So in the family, it was always a great opportunity to eat Italian and Samoan. So very proud to say the majority of the dishes we serve to our guests, friends and clients in the dining area actually are meals that mom and dad used to cook for us. So we're just keeping the tradition and we are getting people to know about of Italy, and we're trying to be strong with our Samoan heritage. We love to be hands-on in the food industry, so the family has also a healthy hydroponic garden where we grow our own lettuce for the restaurant, for the cafe, and then we also sell locally.
So what have you got for us today?
Today I got something very special, and it's a recipe that was given to me by my mom, who is not only my mom, but she's also my boss. So I need to pay attention how I do things. It's a Samoan raw fish, and it's something very simple that everybody at home can do. It's fresh, great nutrition, and it only takes a few minutes. Having food on a plate does not mean just plating food. It's about an experience, and I will show you how with passion and creativity you can go from step 1 to step 2, and then you create a wow effect. And everything here is local, Samoan. So we have some beautiful fish we got this morning from the market. It's been sliced here. So first step, we just get some tipolo juice. You can sprinkle with your hands, so eventually if anybody at home has a brush, then slowly you just go through your slices of fish. Once you're happy, then you start the presentation. We got some diced papaya.
It's
one
of my favorite.
Local. Got in from the market this morning.
Sprinkling on there.
There is no quite of technique to follow. You just go with your guts and your perception.
Okay.
And remember, every plate you do needs to be absolutely wonderful and fabulous. You really want to create the kind of, oh my goodness, is that for me? So that is what we do here every single day. Then we got some diced tomatoes. Same techniques. Of course, you can be messy as well, like myself. So we just do something like this, no worries. Okay, we got some avocado.
Yeah. Avocado.
Nice, beautiful vitamins for your skin and
it's
for
in
your body.
season at the moment.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
And then we got some spring onions here, just to give a touch of color. You see? And then one of my favorite ingredients or elements in the kitchen, in the bar, is the coconut. So we got some pengu, all sprinkle around. And then I have a secret gorgeous dressing just to finish up the dish, which is fresh coconut cream or pepe. which is just right over
That's
here.
my favorite.
So, you know, whenever you get a plate, everybody just kind of, I want to jump on it. But it's always good just to take a few seconds to do a small presentation and try to make your plate looking even more gorgeous. It's like a beautiful woman with a perfume and a hairstyle. So this is my dish and this is my dressing. Small movements. And here you go.
Wow, is that for me?
Of course. So in a few minutes, we have gone from step 1 to step 2, only with Samoan ingredients, and it just took
It's very simple.
simple steps. Everybody can do it at home.
So while I could easily devour this on my own, I'm in the mood for sharing, so I'm going to invite Christina here to help us taste. So, okay, all right. So,
Help yourself.
Christina, you want to join me? Okay, this is the fun part. So this was creation put together with love,
Yes.
with color, with art, and obviously talent. So let's enjoy
Dig in, make sure you get all the flavors.
that one perfect bite. So the fish that was brushed lovingly with lemon juice, and we've got our vodka, spring onions. Okay,
Buon appetito!
delicioso.
Tastes
Yeah.
great with the bengu. The bengu, it's really good that we've added it here, which is not a usual practice in Samoa, and even the avoka to the fish, because with the bengu, we're not removing the fiber. So with the NCDs that we have in Samoa, like zinoputsa, maisuka, the fiber really helps. It helps to keep you full, have that feeling of satiety, so you don't eat too much. So if we have more fiber in our diets from fruits and vegetables, as well as from things like bengu, that's very beneficial, as well as the avoka as well, which has a lot of potassium that can help with the blood pressure. And also seeing the colors. So we like to encourage the public to eat the colors of the rainbow, just to have more variety. There's vegetables and the different colors of the fruits. Especially with the COVID coming up, it's really good for your immunity to have a healthy, balanced diet and have all the colors of the rainbow, and as well as the fish. The fish is so important in our diet, and sometimes we don't get fish all the time, but it's a healthier option rather than chicken, rather than the pipi, the mamoe that we tend to eat all the time. But fish is so important for your diet, and having fish 2 times a week, at least 2 times a week, is very important for your heart as well. So those are just some lasting comments about the dish today. Yeah, great job.
Yeah, we tick all the boxes. Ta-ding.
And it's fun and delicious to eat. Okay, so that's not the end of our show. We actually have another dish coming up next, dessert. So we'll start with that now and get into it.
Absolutely. Here we go again. I am very, very happy to be with my lovely mom, Mrs. Giovanni Rossi, from the village of Asau in Savai. Mom will be with me because I'm just about to do a small demonstration how to create an amazing dessert, everything based with local sauces. Mom, are you ready?
Ia utfaptai lava le malu la tunuu le avano tu mai se tama Giovanni o tina le afuia o le fa fulanga o tatu o le mea ai o le tise e fa Samoa faptai lava le tunuu mo le malu le tunuu e si mai la fa alia ela titi lava ai faptai lava mo le avanoa malu se fua faptai lava.
Okay, so here we go. So, Mom, you're going to write me. As I said, out from a plate, we can do amazing, amazing creations. So, I got some ingredients here. So, Mom, what is this?
Tawanga.
Tawanga.
This
So,
one to tau the new.
yo.
The pepe.
So, we can place it on the plate. And then, Mom, what is this?
The timpopo. A tingi popo.
Sure.
Samoa.
Okay, for today's presentation, I actually have baked a beautiful papaya coconut pudding chiffon. Chiffon is French terminology just to recreate a kind of very delicate sponge. So I'm going to place this just in the middle of our coconut shell. And then we have some beautiful papaya. just on the top, and why not, also on the plate. Here we go. May I?
Thank you.
And then, what is this?
Tipolo.
Tipolo, fresh tipolo, so just a little bit on the top. Just to cover your chiffon, also on your papaya, and here we go. Something that we have used before, this is the,
Pin.
here we go. So this is just about creations. We are making something special for you. So every time you are plating, just don't think about yourself, think about the person who's going to receive your beautiful, amazing meal. We want to surprise them. That is what we do here. And then we have an amazing vanilla sauce, just on the top. And why not also on the plate. Here we go. Delicious tasting time. We are very happy to have again Christina, nutritionist of the Ministry of Health. So please go ahead, be honest, and let me know how you go with the dessert. Here we go.
Okay.
Let me play something
It's
for
right
you, Mama.
first, you know, all it's right. It's called by Engel Fiapi.
Yeah.
Let's say four. Thank you.
And here we go. Enjoy.
We try it the same one as my son did it. If it's not, it's gonna pass.
No worries.
So
Thank
I'm
you,
enjoying
Giovanni.
this. The papaya almost has a taste of, you know how you have the fa'ausi? The fa'ausi masani, but it has that kind of, it's been caramelized, so it tastes really good. And it goes well with the pe'e and the pengu again. So I enjoyed the dish today. It's the first time to have that taste,
box.
that different taste.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So we've just finished dinner and dessert, and now we're shifting gears a little bit to enjoy a delicious, healthy mocktail. So over to you, Gio.
Yeah, so easy. So first of all, we're going to make the mocktail with beautiful nice coconut. I need to open the coconut, so I will just give you a small demonstration how we open the coconut in Italy, which is tac, and it's already open. Otherwise, I will hurt myself. So at home, just a blender, ice, take advantage of all the coconut water, which not many people might know, but it's low in calories, but has great potassium. Am I right? Yeah. Then let's play with some fruit. We got some nice papaya, and then we got some fresh pineapple from the market this morning. Everything in the blender. And just to give a kick, let's also get some nice fresh ginger. Then, palacca on. Are we ready? High volume. And mocktail ready to be served. So, because I love to use everything that we have from our beautiful country of Samoa, we're going to do the presentation with this coconut. Something very simple, just to open up your creativity and make sure everything that you do looks fabulous and fantastic. All the way up.
Really
Can't you smell it?
Yes.
Mouth-watering, I must say. And then you can do some decorations and just go wild. We have some nice tipolo here. And then we got some fresh pineapple. And then why not use also the leaf of the pineapple just to give a little bit of color. And then if you want, you can also use the skin of the pineapple. You can do different kind of decorations or ornaments right over here. And then a little bit of mint. Most importantly, you also need to pick and choose beautiful colors for your straws because it's very important how you drink a mocktail. So we got this one, and also this one, and also this one.
My favorite colors.
And now I'm very happy to say, tick the box and let's try it out.
So I get to have the pleasure of having all of this? All right. Okay, this beautiful creation is all mine. All right, okay.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Now, you've showed us the dinner, dessert, refreshing and healthy mocktail. And all these artistic and creative and healthy dishes has also won paddles actually a name in our industry. Can you tell me about the award-winning status that paddles has?
Of course. We have been lucky enough to win twice a prize from the Samoan Tourism Association as the best restaurant in the country, which means the word to my family. It's a family win and we took the prize 2 years out of 3. It's a good indication of working hard leads to success. You can't be successful on your own, but especially since we have moved to Samoa, the biggest lesson that we have learned is about family. That is why we have so much passion working with mom, dad and my sisters. We have passion of cooking, presenting, creating and sharing food with everybody. Food to us is love. Alofa. So we just love to eat as much as you can and be happy, have some mocktails and why not just play with all these ingredients and spice up our life in the kitchen and also in the dining area.
Thank you. Well, that love and that passion has certainly come through today. It's been an absolute privilege for us, the team here from Kuka, Taste of Beautiful Samoa, to spend the afternoon with yourself and also Christina, not only in experiencing your creations that you've provided today, but also learning about the importance of balancing our diet, using local, organic, and very accessible produce in the food that we eat and prepare. And as Gio's demonstrated today, it's not difficult. It's quite easy to put something together with love that's healthy and nutritious for your family. So on behalf of Samoa Tourism Authority, we thank you for taking time out with us today and for sharing with our audience the insight and talents that you have and what has made Paddles an award-winning restaurant. So I encourage everyone to support Paddles and also our local farmers in our tourism industry, and we hope you'll join us again on our show in our next episode. I am Cherie Robinson-Moores, Country Director for the Australia Pacific Training Coalition, working in partnership with the Samoa Tourism Authority to bring you these insightful and knowledgeable experiences. So until next time, tofa soifua.